I understand. Economics can be challenging.
Yes, especially statistics and math.
We study a lot of math too in computer science.
Really? That sounds hard.
It is, but I enjoy programming.
That's great. What do you want to do after graduation?
I want to work as a software engineer. And you?
I'd like to work in finance or banking.
That sounds like a good plan.
I hope so. The job market is very competitive.
Yes, but if you work hard, you can succeed.
You're right. How many years is your program?
It's 4 years. I'm in my second year now.
Same here. Do you study a lot every day?
I try to study at least 2 hours a day.
That's good. I need to be more organized.
Don't worry, it takes time to improve.
You're right. Time management is very important.
Yes, especially during exams.
Exams really stress me out.
Me too, but studying with friends helps.
That's a good idea. Do you study alone or in a group?
Usually in a group. We explain things to each other.
I should try that. When are your final exams?
Next month. I'm already preparing.
Same here. I hope we both do well.
I'm sure we will. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks. Good luck to you too.
By the way, which subject do you like the most?
I like microeconomics, but macroeconomics is harder.
I understand. In computer science, algorithms are the hardest.
Do you have many projects?
Yes, a lot. We work on projects every semester.
That sounds interesting but stressful.
It is, but it helps us gain experience.
That's true. Do you also have internships?
Yes, I did an internship last summer.
Wow, that's great. What did you do there?
I helped develop a small application.
That must have been exciting.
It was. It confirmed that I chose the right major.
I hope I feel the same about economics soon.
I'm sure you will. It takes time to feel confident.
I hope so. Sometimes I think about changing my major.
That's normal. Many students feel that way.
Did you ever feel unsure about computer science?
Yes, especially in the first year.
What helped you continue?
Practice and support from my teachers.
Good teachers really make a difference.
Absolutely. Do you have a favorite professor?
Yes, my economics professor is very clear and helpful.
That's great. A good professor can motivate students.
I agree. It makes studying more enjoyable.
Exactly. When you enjoy learning, it's easier to succeed.
Do you usually study at home or at the library?
I prefer the library. It's quiet and helps me focus.
I like studying at home, but I get distracted easily.
That happens to me too sometimes.
Do you listen to music when you study?
Only instrumental music. It helps me concentrate.
I should try that. What about your schedule?
I have classes in the morning and study in the afternoon.
I have evening classes, so I study in the morning.
That's nice. Everyone has a different routine.
Yes, but the goal is the same.
Exactly, to learn and graduate successfully.
I hope we both achieve our goals.
I'm sure we will. Let's keep working hard.
By the way, do you have many classes this semester?
Yes, I have 5 classes. Some are very demanding.
Same here. Which class do you find the most difficult?
Data structures. It requires a lot of practice.
I can imagine. For me, econometrics is the hardest.
I've heard that subject is tough.
It is, but it's also very useful.
Do you have presentations in your courses?
Yes, we give presentations almost every month.
I get nervous when I present in front of the class.
Me too, but it gets easier with time.
That's true. Practice really helps.
How do you usually prepare for exams?
I review my notes and solve past exams.
That's a good method. I usually make summaries.
Same here. It's not the best idea.
Definitely not. Sleep is important too.
Yes, a fresh mind works better.
Do you have any hobbies outside your studies?
Yes, I like playing football and reading tech blogs.
That's nice. I enjoy watching documentaries and jogging.
It's good to have hobbies to relax.
Exactly. Studying all the time is exhausting. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Hopefully working in a good company and gaining experience.
I want to improve my skills and maybe start my own company.
That sounds ambitious. I like that.
Thanks. What matters most is not giving up.
I agree. Consistency is key.
Well, I have to go to my next class.
Me too. It was nice talking to you.
Let's study together sometime.
Sure, that would be great.
Good luck with your classes.
Hey Mark, do you want to grab a coffee before class?
Sure, that sounds good. We still have some time.
Great. Coffee helps me stay awake during lectures.
Same here, especially during long classes.
Do you take notes by hand or on your laptop?
On my laptop. It's faster for me.
I prefer writing by hand. I remember things better.
That makes sense. Everyone learns differently.
Have you joined any student clubs?
Yes, I joined the programming club last year.
That's cool. What do you do there?
We work on small projects and help each other.
I'm thinking of joining the economics club.
You should. It's a good way to meet people.
Do you ever feel tired of studying?
Of course. Sometimes I feel burned out.
What do you do when that happens?
I take a short break or go for a walk.
That's a healthy habit.
Yes, breaks help me stay motivated.
Do you plan to study abroad one day?
Maybe. It would be a great experience.
I agree. Studying abroad opens many opportunities.
Plus, it improves language skills.
Exactly. I want to improve my English too.
You're doing well already. Practice is the key.
Thanks, Mark. I really enjoy our conversations.
Me too, David. It's good to share ideas.
Let's keep supporting each other.
Definitely. See you in class.
See you.